concrete evidence that they actually work or that they actually enhance our customer interactions. That's why there are metrics and KPIs that comes into play. They give us a way to measure this whether these techniques are truly making a positive impact.
So, hello, let's continue the discussion. In this slide, we highlight the five key performer indicators that shows how effective and probing questions are during customer interactions. The first one is the customer satisfaction or CSAT. It tends to be higher when customers feel genuinely heard and understood. It is something that probing questions help with. And the second one is the first contact resolution or FCR. It is when agent asks the right follow-up or clarifying questions. They can often resolve the issues in the first interactions. And the third one is the average handling time or AHT. It is also impacted because when issues are quickly understood, the call or the chat tends to be shorter and more efficient. So the fourth KPI is the customer effort score or CES. It is when customer feel it's easier to get help when they don't have to repeat themselves or clarify things multiple times. And lastly, we have the quality assurance score. It is when reflect how well agents follow protocols, and this includes how they ask relevant probing questions to guide the conversations. So all of these KPIs is very important and gives us measurable proof that probing questions don't just improve communication, but instead they improve the overall performance. So, in conclusion, probing questions lead to better, more meaningful conversation with customers. And by looking up these different kinds of KPIs like CSAT, FCR, AHT, and CES, we have clear and measurable proof how much these questions improve the overall customer experience. So that's all for our report. Thank you so much.